Royal Synchro T2 Auto-Frothing for 2 8-ounce cups, latte or hot chocolate. In this video, I'm going to do hot chocolate. Now, why you like to auto-froth is because it frees up the barista to multitask, perform any other task, and it takes out the human error from this. By auto-frothing, using this machine, you are able to make a really nice, smooth and silky texture, minus the human error from the barista. People tend to make mistakes. It also allows you to employ any unskilled workers to make a really smooth cup of hot chocolate or latte without any mistakes. Royal Synchro T2.